Apples in the sky on Christmas Eve. Santa's little helpers decorate the tree. All the little kitties are fast asleep, tossing and turning about Christmas glee. When you rock, rock, sleigh.